In the state of Oklahoma, the seatbelt usage rate is only 86%. We've got to get that number up.
Fred, the road district guys, the use rate is less than 40%. That's really unacceptable.
Over the last 6 years, there have been 683 crashes involving sheriff deputies, about $9.8 million in property and casualty.
In the road districts, there's been 550 wrecks at a total cost in the neighborhood of about $9.3 million. In the last 6 years, once again, that's over 1,300 wrecks total in county government at a total cost of over $36 million. That's a lot of resources we could utilize in a lot of other ways, not to mention the injuries and the fatalities that were involved in the process.
As you just seen in the videos, a split second it takes to put a seatbelt on. That could be a split second that cost you or someone else your life by not wearing your seatbelt.
And Fred, our most expensive injuries, both on the law enforcement side as well as the road district side, had they had seatbelts on, those injuries would have been a lot less severe.
The point we're trying to get across is what you may not realize in that split second to put that seatbelt on, the decision you make could affect not only you, but your family and everybody else that's around you.